What's up guys, PriGo here. So today I'm reviewing the Boya BY-M1 Lavalier microphone. So let's just get started with what comes inside the box. Obviously we get the box. Then we have the microphone itself with a clip to clip it onto your shirt. The microphone has a 20 feet long wire which ends on a gold plated 3.5mm jack. Then we have the capsule, and on the capsule there are two modes. One of them is camera mode and the other is off or smartphone mode. A nice little pouch to keep your microphone, a 3.5mm to 6.5mm audio jack, a pop filter. Then we have the instruction booklet which is not needed at all. And lastly, we get a 1-year warranty card. So guys, that was all the content that you're going to get inside the box. And guys, currently I'm using the Boya BY-M1 Lavalier microphone to record the audio. And this is how the audio sounds without any editing. And as you guys can hear that the audio is just about fine without any editing. But you can always use softwares like Audacity which is absolutely free to edit your audio. As if for price guys, this thing is about 800 rupees on Amazon right now. And I will put the link in the description if you want to buy this microphone. And I personally think that this is the best time to buy this microphone because this microphone used to be about 1500 rupees, but right now it is about 800 rupees. So in the future the price may or may not go up or down. So I personally think that this is the best time to buy this microphone. So I will leave the link in the description and you guys can check it out. And this is a universal microphone, so basically it can be used to record audio in smartphones, PCs, cameras, and many other audio recorders. As if for me, I'm using this microphone to record audio on my PC. So guys, for the price that you're paying and the output that you're getting, I think that this microphone is a really good microphone. So if you're also on a tight budget just like me, then I would really recommend you to give this microphone a try. And that's pretty much it for this video. And in the future, I will bring some more amazing gaming videos with this microphone. So thank you guys so much for watching this review video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then make sure to smash that like button. And if you're new around here, then make sure to click on that red subscribe button to subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
We can make a wildfire getaway.